No, I'm fine. I just...
Did that really just happen back there?
Yeah, it's just shut up, alright, we need to go. Oh, shit.
What's wrong? Here, let me help you. Ah! What the hell was that?
Testing. Testing. This is...
I can't just leave you here.
I'll be fine. Just go quick.
What, if I just get
Look.
back
I have about an hour until the disease sets in. That'll give you at least half an hour to get there and back.
Okay. I'll be back.
If you're running late, just keep running.
31 degrees, 41 north. I don't know.
Copy that. Please proceed down the SR-14 towards Mojave.
Taryn, wake up. We're gonna make it. We're actually gonna make it.